Hey everyone, welcome back to Android Enterprise Pro Tips. I'm Mark, and in today's video, we're going to walk through the easiest way to set up Terminal on a Mac so that it automatically maps ADB as a recognized command every time that you open up Terminal. Let me show you what we're setting up here. I can open up a fresh Terminal window, and immediately I can type in ADB, and it's recognized. No more navigating to platform tools every single time. This simple setup has saved me tons of time, and I'm sure that it can help you too. Also note that you'll need to make sure you have Android Studio or at least ADB platform tools installed on your Mac before you begin. Alright, so let's get into it. Here's what we need to do. First, we're going to open up a terminal window. You can do this by pressing Command Space and typing terminal. Next, in the top menu bar, we'll click on Terminal and select Settings. Then select Profiles. In the Startup tab, we'll want to press Run Command and then make sure the box below it saying Run Inside Shell is checked. Inside the Run Command field, put in this command right here. Once that's pasted in, we can close the Settings window and now open up a new window of Terminal. You'll see that the source bash_profile command automatically ran as soon as I opened up the terminal window. Now, if I type in ADB, it automatically recognizes it as a command. Your terminal window is now set up to automatically recognize ADB commands every time that you open up a new window. This is going to save you so much time when you're working with Android devices. If this tip helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Android Enterprise Pro tips. The command I use is in the description below, along with links to other helpful resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.